In a move that's sending shockwaves across the automotive industry, Chevrolet has officially confirmed that it will discontinue 3 of its well-known models by 2027. While automakers routinely refresh their lineups, this decision is far more strategic than a simple product cycle update. It signals a deeper transformation inside General Motors, one that reflects changing consumer demands, stricter global regulations, and a massive shift toward electrification. But here's the real headline. What's replacing these models isn't just new, it's radically different. And according to industry experts, these replacements could redefine what drivers expect from Chevy in the years ahead. Let's break down what's happening, why these models are being discontinued, and what's coming next. The end of an era, which Chevy models are being discontinued. Chevrolet hasn't taken this decision lightly. The 3 models being phased out represent key segments of the brand's lineup: sedans, compact performance, and even traditional internal combustion offerings. While Chevy hasn't framed this as a goodbye, the reality is clear. These vehicles no longer align with the company's long-term strategy. 1. Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu has been a staple of the midsize sedan market for decades. Known for its affordability, practicality, and smooth ride, it once competed strongly against rivals like the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord. However, sedan demand has been declining steadily over the past decade. Consumers are shifting toward SUVs and crossovers, and the Malibu simply hasn't kept up in terms of innovation or excitement. Expert insight. Auto industry analyst Mark Fields explains, the Malibu isn't being discontinued because it's a bad car. It's being discontinued because the segment itself is shrinking. Buyers want higher ride height, versatility, and advanced tech. Sedans are no longer the default choice. Chevy is expected to fully end Malibu production by 2027, marking the end of one of its longest-running nameplates. Number 2, Chevrolet Camaro. This one hurts. The Chevrolet Camaro is an icon, one of the most recognizable American muscle cars ever built. With its aggressive styling, powerful V8 engines, and deep racing heritage, the Camaro has defined performance for generations. But even legends aren't immune to change. Declining sales, rising emission standards, and the shift toward electrification have made traditional muscle cars harder to justify. While enthusiasts still love the Camaro, the market has spoken. Expert insight. Automotive strategist Laura Chen notes, the Camaro's discontinuation isn't about performance losing relevance, it's about how performance is being redefined. Electric vehicles can now outperform traditional muscle cars in acceleration and efficiency. The Camaro will exit production as we know it, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's gone forever. Number 3. Chevrolet Bolt EV in its current form. The Chevrolet Bolt EV was one of the first affordable electric vehicles in the US, helping Chevy establish itself in the EV space. But despite its early success, the Bolt is also being phased out, at least in its current design. This decision may seem surprising, especially given the industry's shift toward electric vehicles. However, the reasoning is more complex. Expert insight. GM engineer David Sloan explains, the Bolt isn't being killed, it's being reinvented. The current platform is outdated compared to GM's new Ultium architecture. Future EVs will be more scalable, more efficient, and more profitable. So while the Bolt name may return, the current version will not continue beyond 2027. Why Chevy is making this move? At first glance, discontinuing 3 major models might seem risky, but in reality this is part of a carefully calculated strategy. 1. The shift toward SUVs and crossovers. Consumer preferences have changed dramatically. SUVs and crossovers now dominate global sales, offering higher seating position, more cargo space, better perceived safety, greater versatility. Sedans like the Malibu simply can't compete with these advantages in today's market. 2. Electrification is no longer optional. Governments worldwide are tightening emissions regulations, and automakers are under pressure to transition to cleaner vehicles. General Motors has already committed billions of dollars to EV development, aiming for an all-electric future in the coming decades. This means older internal combustion models, especially those without hybrid or electric variants, are being phased out. 3. Profitability and platform efficiency. Modern automotive manufacturing is all about scalability. GM's new Ultium platform allows multiple vehicles to share the same underlying architecture, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Maintaining older models on outdated platforms simply doesn't make financial sense anymore. Expert insight. Industry economist Rachel Nguyen states, automakers are no longer just building cars, they're building ecosystems. Platforms like Ultium allow companies to scale quickly while maintaining profitability. Legacy models don't fit into that system. What's coming instead will shock you. Now for the part that's generating the most excitement and speculation. Chevy isn't just replacing these models with similar vehicles. Instead, it's introducing an entirely new generation of products that blend performance, technology, and electrification in ways we haven't seen before. 1. The electric Camaro successor. While the traditional Camaro is ending, insiders strongly suggest that Chevy is working on an electric performance car that could carry the Camaro name or redefine it entirely. This new model is expected to deliver instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration, feature advanced battery technology, include track-focused performance modes, offer cutting-edge digital cockpit systems. Expert insight. Performance engineer Jason Miller explains, electric performance vehicles can outperform gasoline cars in key metrics. The challenge is maintaining emotional engagement, the sound, the feel, the identity. That's where Chevy will need to innovate. If done right, the electric Camaro successor could attract both enthusiasts and a new generation of buyers. 2. A new electric sedan or crossover to replace Malibu. Instead of a traditional sedan, Chevy is likely to introduce a sleek electric crossover or fastback-style vehicle to fill the gap left by the Malibu. This new model could offer longer driving range, 300-plus miles expected, advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air software updates, a more premium interior experience. This reflects a broader industry trend, blending sedan-like styling with SUV practicality. Expert insight. Design expert Carlos Rivera notes, the future isn't sedans versus SUVs, it's a fusion of both. Automakers are creating vehicles that combine efficiency, style, and versatility. That's likely what Chevy is aiming for. 3. The next generation Bolt, Ultium-based. The Bolt isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The next generation Bolt will likely be built on GM's Ultium platform, bringing major improvements. Faster charging speeds, increased range, better thermal management, improved safety systems. This new Bolt could become one of the most competitive, affordable EVs on the market. Expert insight. EV specialist Amanda Brooks says, the original Bolt proved there's demand for affordable EVs. The next version needs to deliver better tech and charging performance. If Chevy gets that right, it could dominate the entry-level EV segment. 4. Expansion of Chevy's EV truck and SUV lineup. Beyond replacing these 3 models, Chevy is doubling down on electric trucks and SUVs. Vehicles like the Silverado EV and Blazer EV are just the beginning. By 2027, Chevy is expected to have a full lineup of electric vehicles covering multiple segments. Key focus areas include longer range and faster charging, advanced towing capabilities, smart connectivity features, autonomous driving technologies. What this means for buyers. For consumers, these changes bring both opportunities and challenges. The good news: more advanced technology, better efficiency and lower running costs, improved performance, especially with EVs, new design innovations. The concerns: higher upfront costs for EVs, charging infrastructure limitations, loss of traditional driving experiences, uncertainty about long-term reliability. The bigger picture, a turning point for Chevy. This isn't just about 3 discontinued models, it's about a complete transformation of Chevrolet's identity. For decades, Chevy has been known for affordable sedans, iconic muscle cars, reliable gas-powered trucks. Now, it's evolving into a brand focused on electric mobility, advanced technology, scalable platforms, sustainable performance. Expert insight. Auto historian Daniel Brooks summarizes it perfectly. We're witnessing the biggest shift in automotive history since the transition from horses to cars. Companies that adapt will survive, and those that don't will disappear. Chevy is choosing to adapt. Will this strategy work? That's the big question. Chevy's success will depend on several key factors. 1. Execution. It's not enough to announce new EVs. They need to deliver on performance, reliability, and value. 2. Pricing. Affordability has always been Chevy's strength. Maintaining that advantage in the EV era will be critical. 3. Brand identity. Can Chevy maintain its emotional appeal while transitioning to electric vehicles? This will be especially important for performance models like the Camaro. Number 4. Infrastructure. Charging networks and battery technology will play a major role in customer adoption. Final thoughts. The decision to end production of the Malibu, Camaro, and current Bolt EV marks the end of an era, but it also opens the door to a new one. Chevy isn't just updating its lineup, it's reinventing itself. And while change can be difficult, it also brings opportunity. The next few years will determine whether this bold strategy pays off. But one thing is certain. The future of Chevrolet will look very different from its past. And for better or worse, the automotive world will be watching closely.